It stretches over 100,000 light-years in diameter, housing an estimated 200 billion stars. Yet, how much do we truly know about our home galaxy, the Milky Way? The answer may surprise you. Even in the familiar vastness of our own cosmic neighborhood, there's always more to learn. In fact, the Milky Way continues to unfold secrets that challenge our understanding, as new revelations emerge, bringing us closer to unraveling the mystery of our existence in the grand tapestry of the universe. What was once thought to be well understood is now shrouded in a new light, revealing cosmic phenomena that defy our perception, forcing us to rethink everything we thought we knew. It all begins with a fundamental truth. We've been categorizing the Milky Way incorrectly all this time. But that's just the beginning of an astonishing series of discoveries. Astronomers have unveiled a colossal 16,000 light-year-long structure within our galaxy, an unprecedented feature that has left scientists astounded. But perhaps the most breathtaking discovery lies at the very heart of our galaxy, a gravitational behemoth, the likes of which can only be described as a force that shapes the very fabric of space itself. A force that continues to evolve, revealing primal cosmic events that are both awe-inspiring and humbling. The mysteries of the Milky Way are far deeper, far more intricate than we could have imagined. Let me ask you this: why is the Milky Way called the Milky Way? To answer that, we have to go back to the ancient Greeks. The name Milky comes from a myth, one that speaks to the stars themselves. According to ancient tradition, when we look up at the starry night sky, we see nothing less than the spilled breast milk of the goddess Hera, forming a celestial stream across the heavens. This milky band of light stretching across the sky was thought to be the divine milk that nourished the gods. This myth transcends the boundaries of our galaxy, connecting all galaxies with the same symbolic thread of milk. But when we step back from mythology and look to science, the truth is far more extraordinary. The so-called milk in the sky is not divine at all. It is the product of the cosmic birth of stars. Clusters of stars interspersed with vast clouds of gas and dust, light and dark nebulae. What we once thought of as myth is in fact the raw material of the universe, woven together in a spectacular cosmic dance. Despite our position at the heart of the Milky Way, we can only see a small fraction of its true magnificence. It's impossible to see the Milky Way in its entirety from Earth. Our view is just a sliver, a glimpse of its true grandeur. But astronomers, through their tireless work and boundless curiosity, have painted a picture of our galaxy, piecing together the puzzle one discovery at a time. The Milky Way is classified as a barred spiral galaxy, with 5 distinctive spiral arms, 2 of which we can observe with the naked eye. These arms wind their way through the galaxy's core, their graceful arcs stretching across unimaginable distances. The scale of the Milky Way is truly beyond comprehension. Its diameter spans an unfathomable 100,000 light-years, and yet its disk is only about 3,000 light-years thick. The central bulge, however, is an entirely different beast, a region that stretches about 16,000 light-years in thickness. This is the beating heart of the galaxy, where forces far greater than anything we can fathom reside. But despite its size, the core remains hidden from our eyes. We cannot directly observe it, for the dense clouds of gas and dust that fill the center obscure our view. But even in the face of this darkness, we now know with certainty that within this vast expanse, a force of unimaginable power lurks. Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole. Its mass is more than 4 million times that of our Sun. It is this black hole sitting at the center of our galaxy that holds sway over the motion of every star, planet, and nebula within a vast gravitational radius. And what's even more astonishing is the realization that Sagittarius A star is not a lone phenomenon. In fact, experts now believe that nearly every galaxy contains such a supermassive black hole at its core. A celestial monster, its gravity so immense that it shapes the very structure of the galaxy itself. But that's not all. The Milky Way is home to an even more mysterious and plentiful 4 stellar black holes. These smaller black holes form when stars collapse under their own gravity. Experts estimate that there are perhaps 100 million of these dark remnants scattered throughout the galaxy. These cold black holes are the silent sentinels of the Milky Way, lurking in the shadows, waiting for the moment when they too will grow to enormous proportions. When it comes to the number of stars in the Milky Way, the estimates are staggering. Some believe that our galaxy contains as few as 100 billion stars, while others suggest that the true number could be as high as 400 billion. And if the data from the Kepler mission is anything to go by, it's likely that for every star there are 1 or 2 planets orbiting it. This means that there could be between 100 and 800 billion planetary worlds in our galaxy, each one a potential cradle for life. Not every one of these planets will be like Earth, but some may well have the conditions needed for life to flourish. In fact, in 2022, a team of researchers from Nottingham suggested that as many as 36 advanced civilizations could have developed in our galaxy. The very idea that we might not be alone in the vastness of the Milky Way is enough to stir the soul. But the Milky Way is not a lonely island in the cosmic sea. It is part of a much larger and more intricate network of galaxies that spans the universe. Our galaxy is part of the Local Group, a collection of about 35 galaxies. The Local Group is in turn part of the Virgo supercluster, a massive collection of galaxies spanning hundreds of millions of light-years. And until recently, the Local Group was thought to be within the Laniakea supercluster. But new data has shattered this belief. It turns out that the Milky Way is not part of the Laniakea supercluster at all. Instead, it is part of the much larger Shapley supercluster, a gravitational titan that dwarfs even Laniakea. This discovery has revolutionized our understanding of the Milky Way's place in the universe, revealing that our galaxy is being pulled towards the Shapley supercluster by an immense gravitational force. The discovery of the Shapley supercluster's influence on our galaxy is just the beginning. Astronomers have recently discovered an astonishing new feature at the very edge of the Milky Way's bar: massive magnetic filaments stretching across 16,000 light-years. These filaments, which rise far above and below the galactic plane, are not just the result of cosmic processes. They are the remnants of violent events, perhaps the result of a series of supernova explosions that occurred in the outer regions of the galaxy. These stellar explosions are powerful enough to eject material at speeds of up to 1,000 kilometers per second, creating galactic winds that extend far beyond the boundaries of the galaxy. The Milky Way is not just a collection of stars, it is a cosmic battleground, a place where forces clash and collide, shaping the galaxy into the form we see today. At the heart of the Milky Way is Sagittarius, a star, our supermassive black hole. It may no longer be an active quasar capable of illuminating the entire galaxy, but it still retains immense power. Recent data from the Event Horizon Telescope, EHT, has revealed that Sagittarius, a star, is spinning at an extraordinary rate. Even more astonishing is that this rotation is tilted against the plane of the galaxy itself. This tilt defies everything we know about black holes and raises a critical question. Why is it behaving like this? Researchers have theorized that the answer lies in a cosmic collision that took place billions of years ago. Sagittarius A star may have merged with another massive black hole from a smaller galaxy that collided with the Milky Way. This collision, which took place about 10 billion years ago, would have altered the rotation of Sagittarius A, putting it on a new tilted orbit. The data collected by the EHT suggests that this merger was a cataclysmic event that reshaped the structure of the Milky Way itself. As we learn more about the past of our galaxy, we gain insight into the future of our universe. The merger of these two supermassive black holes is still a theory, but experts hope that future gravitational wave detectors will confirm this cosmic dance. The Laser Interferometer Space Antenna, LIESA, is at the forefront of this research and may one day allow us to directly observe the collision of black holes, an event that will forever change our understanding of the universe. As we peer into the depths of the Milky Way, we are reminded of how small we are in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Our galaxy is not a static entity. It is a dynamic, ever-evolving system driven by forces that are both beautiful and terrifying. And as we continue to unlock the secrets of the Milky Way, we realize that the journey has only just begun. The mysteries of the universe are far deeper than we can imagine, and it is up to us to continue to explore, to continue to seek, and to continue to uncover the awe-inspiring wonders that lie in the stars. Hit the like and subscribe buttons now so you never miss another mind-blowing discovery. We'll see you soon.